Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorials how to offset flange. I will go to part design and in there I will create the rectangle object. Click finish cut and you can convert into sheet metal. Use face tools to create for the plate. Now I will create flange with this flange tools and then click at this edge. Click OK. But you need to change for the hex like into 10. Click OK to apply. So if you want to create offset this flange, you can select the flange tools, right click and then choose edit feature. After it, you can click at this icon and it will be show for bend edit dialog box. You can check for the type and you can set into offset. After it, you can set like this offset 1 into 3, and for offset 2 I will set into 1. If you're done, you can click OK. Click OK again to apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorials how to offset flange. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.